welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to the channel. Good morning to some, good afternoon, wherever it may be. This video right here is not clickbait. It is real. Before I get into that, I'm going to say, that it is so sad that some people don't like to see other people do anything without, getting themselves involved and, causing a big conflict. And, am I upset about it? No, it's just the thing about it is, mind your own business, stay out of mine, and at the same time, let me do what I can do, and let me do me. And with that being said, like I said, this is not clickbait. I got a mover, and that means no more working on my car at home in my yard, because the simple fact is they say I'm in violation of like so many different codes, and with that I cannot work on my car at home in my driveway. Now if my garage was clean, then I can work on it there because they can't see it, but at the same time my garage has the parts from her in it, so it's really aggravating. I'm not gonna say upsetting, it's aggravating, because the fact is I'm working my job, trying to get money so I can fix the car and get things back up to par and get things set up. So now I got to spend money that I don't have to move her somewhere else because I'm not able to get her done in a timely fashion, because like I said, work and then bills and stuff like that. And this is like my first build, so I'm not like really on a big time frame. I just want to get it done, and at the same time YouTube what I am doing, so that way you see and it'll be video on what I'm doing to her, and you can, if you have a car like this, maybe it'll inspire you to do a YouTube channel or do anything with any car that you have your mind set on. It would inspire you to start your own build, start your own project, start anything that you want to, and without having any flaws and without having any issues. So I am not ashamed. I have 30 days to get the car moved from yesterday, and with that being said, I have been looking and have been thinking of ways to get her where I want her, and at the same time, like I said, it's just one of those things that's very upsetting. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you that I'm not joking. I really have to move her. It's not clickbait. I gotta move her, and we'll go from there. But there's that darn sticker saying I gotta move her. I even move it a little closer and let you read whatever. See if you ever had one of those put on your car. But guys, I gotta move it. They said it's a junk car because the fact is I took out the seats, the dash, and all this and all that. But at the same time, if you know and if you watch my YouTube videos, that I have removed certain things because I was going to add certain things, and with me not having those things added and trying to figure out how I wanted to do them, it's not done in a timely manner. So therefore, they consider it a junk car because, like I said, it's completely not really gutted, but at the same time, it is, it doesn't have the interior and certain things and stuff like that. Most of the stuff is either in the trunk. I have stuff in the trunk of the car, and I have stuff in the garage, and the motor and stuff is in the garage, and I was planning on changing up things and stuff like that. So I don't know where they get a junk car. I guess because it doesn't have a motor, front bumper and stuff like that. But at the same time, guys, you know for a fact that everything that's to this car is in there or in the car. I have shown clips of it being in the car and stuff like that. But at the same time, guys, I am not upset. I just think it's really aggravating that people won't let other people do what they want and get things done in a timely manner, and not really a timely manner, but just get things done the way they want. and things usually take time. You cannot rush things, because if you rush things, then things happen, things get messed up, and then you have to start over and redo the whole thing. Me, I am trying to do it one time and one time only, and then if I add any more things, then I know that I can continuously do it without having anybody complain about what's going on. Yes, it has been 7 months, but at the same time, this car has not been setting up, has not been setting up like this for 7 months. This car has not had the interior completely stripped for 7 months. I can guarantee that. I have videos on that. You go back and look at my videos. I do not have videos where this car has been completely, naked, or should I say looking like a junk car for 7 months. And that's what it's making it seem like. This car's been sitting like this. Nosy neighbors and stuff like that think they are helping the situation, but really hurting the situation, and don't really know what's going on. But at the same time, it's putting a damper in what I'm trying to do in my project. So therefore, now I gotta find a place. If I don't get the garage clean, and if I don't get my shed done in enough time, but 30 days is not enough time to get a shed done, because there's certain things I don't have, and I need it done, this car up and moved and done before my 30 days from yesterday. And that's, I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's including the weekends. I don't know if they count the weekdays, but that's including the weekends. So I did say this is going to be a quick video, but right now kind of venting out. So just kind of say like it's aggravating. It's not really mad. I'm just more aggravated than anything. And just saying, guys, the way things are looking, this build might be put on hold. If not, if I don't get a place, this build will be put on hold. Or if I can't get it put in my garage, it will be put on hold. Because he gave me, the guy, when I talked to him, he gave me 3 solutions, and I can't get to 2 of them, 2 solutions right now, because there's 2 solutions that I would love to do. But if you've seen in previous videos, my garage is pretty full, and we don't have a storage shed. I can even show you right now that I don't have a storage shed, and I still need to cut my grass because the city's on me about that too. But to be honest, I don't have a storage shed. I'm in the process of building that, but that's taking a while, because the fact is I have the foundation, I have everything that I need. I just don't have the wood to put on the bottom to give for the floor and stuff like that. But at the same time, I am not discouraged. I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing and pushing on. Like my brother always told me, you're always going to have those haters or those people that don't want to see anybody succeed or see anybody doing anything that they can't do, or anything like that. Because the fact is, this is my first project. Like I said in previous videos, I always repeat myself, but this is my first project. So it's taken me a little longer, and I have never had anybody talk about city ordinance and things like that here. I have seen people work on their cars and do this and do that at their house and stuff like that, and it takes them months and months to get this done. But I, like I said, I hung around, I've been around cars all my life, so it's one of those things. It's like everybody wants to say that this and this and this, and it's not really that. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and this video will be posted today. I am going to work, so this video will be posted today on a vent out type thing. I am going to put this up today, and I am headed to work. So when I get home and get everything scored away, get this set up, this video will be up today, like I said, and I will keep you guys posted on where I decide to move her or where I decide to put her, and let you know that the build will continue once I get her done, because there's certain things I got to put back on and to get her where I need to get her. And with that, all I have to do is put the front wheels back on and put the front wheels back on and put all the stuff back, and then drop it down, and then I can move it wherever I need to and be done. I just have to have it towed instead of me driving it towed. And if I could get it to get in the garage, even though I'm at a slant, I would just have to use one of the cars to push it up, and it should be super light because the simple fact is there's no motor, there's no seats, there's no nothing, and we just had to do it like a slow push or something like that, have two people where if we can get it moved. But guys, I am going to go ahead and say in this video, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I'm going to say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. And guys, I do want to say on this whole YouTube thing, I have noticed, I even went back to a couple of the subscribers that said they have subscribed and noticed that when you guys subscribe to my channel, it shows that you subscribed, and you hit the notification bell, but I don't get the notifications. So technically, to this day, honestly, I have more subscribers than I really know about, and it's not showing. And I can tell you right now, and I can give you a clip, I have 21 subscribers according to YouTube. I should have like 24, 25. I should be at my goal already on YouTube subscribers, but at the same time, I have seen and saw from my own eyes, with my own eyes, that there is somebody that I know that I work with that has subscribed and hit the notification bell, and I never got his message to show that, you know, he subscribed, and this person who he is and stuff like that he subscribed, or this person has subscribed to your channel, and they will be notified every time you upload videos. So with that being said, I even went back and looked to see if it'll let me post to show how many subscribers I have and let you guys see how many subscribers I have, and I have that function took away because at the same time I want to be in a discreet, you know, on how many subscribers I have for now. But I just wanted to get that out the way, and I'm going to say, you know, again, thank you for watching. I already said follow me. No, I did not. I did not say follow me, but go ahead, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, and Tumblr. And if you would do me a solid, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified on any new videos that I am going to be posting or should be coming out soon, and see if you want to be notified on any further things on this, and where she's going to be, and where I'm going to move her, and if I get anything done in time before my deadline, hit the notification bell. And guys, see you guys on the next one.